The dog pound is in the house, and we are barking about health care. We got Dana Milbank from the Washington Post, Nancy Skidder, national radio host. Peter Flaherty is with the National Legal and Policy Center, and Julie Roginsky is back, Democratic strategist. Had a good fight with her the other night. All right, first up, guys, we're going to talk Obamacare. We're going to talk Wal-Mart's strange change of the leopard spots today when they came out and said, by golly, we actually like the idea of every employer just about everywhere being forced to cover their employees with health care. Julie Roginsky, what a wonderful, wonderful plan the Obamaites have now. I mean, geez, they're going to, first of all, get every employer has to cover their employees, but then they're going to tax the employer benefits. So you both have to provide the service, and then you have to pay a new tax on it. It's brilliant, Julie.
Wow, conspiracy theory, Dennis. Let's get some facts out there. First and foremost, it's not going to cover, I don't think the plan is to make a mandate for every business. For example, small business may be exempted.
Okay.
I'm very happy to see that. I'm very happy to see that big business like Wal-Mart is jumping on the bandwagon. I think that's fabulous. Secondly, the Obama administration has not said they're taxing health care benefits. They said they may be open to some taxation of health care benefits and only above a certain cap, which is a lot different than what John McCain was proposing last year during the campaign.
Okay, Peter, what do you think of this?
Well, some people were surprised by this move. I was not. We have chronicled Walmart's steady move to the left for the last 3 years. We put out a special report on it 3 years ago.
Is this just a Sipowicz move? They getting out in front of this? They know it's inevitable anyway?
No. In 2007, Lee Scott, the Walmart's CEO, held a joint press conference with Andy Stern, the boss of the SEIU union, and called for universal health care. So there's nothing new here. What Wal-Mart has done is that they've been sold a bill of goods by some high-priced consultants that if they appease the unions and adopt their agenda, the unions will go easy on Wal-Mart, and it's just not going to happen. Andrew Stern is not going to be happy until every Walmart employee is unionized.
Nancy, that strategy didn't work so well for car makers in Detroit, did it, where you're from?
Well, obviously, that's been a big issue. That was the crushing blow is health care. So, absolutely, the auto industry's been saying health care. But before you do cartwheels over Walmart or think there's some squishy liberal organization, Peter.
They are indeed.
They have been, let me finish. They've been trying to get their employees on public aid for a long time because they didn't pay them enough. They wrote memos out how to apply for public assistance. Listen, Walmart got to be the biggest retailer in America because of economies of scale, cost cutting, and competition. And those are all elements in the Obama plan.
They became as big as they are because of Sam Walton's entrepreneurial vision.
Even Walmart,
they are now in favor of cap and trade. They're supporting gay marriage. They're supporting a whole host of liberal causes that they wouldn't several years ago.
Hang on. Let's get to Dana Milbank, who's patiently, with the Washington Post, patiently waiting. Go ahead, Dana.
I don't think we're in any danger of Ben and Jerry being overthrown here as the benevolent corporate leader.
Well, that's a stereotype, and it's wrong.
There's self-interest involved here.
Yes.
They have a larger percentage of their workforce already getting health care than their competitors do, so they see this as an advantage there. They also saw the Senate Finance Committee and others getting ready to stick them with something worse, potentially a higher tax. So there's two very good reasons for self-interest here. I don't think we're going to name any Ben and Jerry
And a good third one,
flavors.
with all due respect, is the fact that productivity will rise, workers will be better covered, and that means that worker productivity will go up. That's good for Walmart, that's good for American business, and it's good for our competition.
The thing about what you say, Julie, though, is the biggest problem with Obamacare. They want to get government to force this stuff to happen. I think the free market can make a lot of good things happen.
The free market is leaving 45 million people uninsured. You think the free market's been doing a good job, Dennis? Come on.
The free market has not. It's proven not to.
Of course.
47 million people don't have health insurance.
Yeah,
so let the government compete.
70 or 80% of the people covered in this country are covered by employers.
And that's not going to change.
And that is working pretty well, guys.
This Walmart thing is a case where big business is teaming up with big government to freeze out the smaller competitors. And maybe that's at work here, too.
Right. Hang on, guys. Stick around. We're going to come back and fight some more. We're going to continue this conversation on the other side of this break. There's also a lot more ahead tonight on CNBC Reports.